Demystifying Modem Configuration, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem daunting at first but is incredibly useful for anyone using the internet: modem configuration. Whether you're setting up your home internet for the first time or trying to troubleshoot a connection issue, understanding modem configuration is key. Let's break it down together, making it simple and approachable. Before we delve into modem configuration, let's understand what a modem is. A modem is a device that connects your home network to the internet. It translates the digital data from your network into a signal that can travel over your internet service provider's ISP infrastructure and vice versa. Think of it as a bridge between your home network and the vast world of the internet. Now, why is modem configuration important? Configuring your modem ensures that it communicates correctly with your ISP, providing you with a stable and secure internet connection. Proper configuration can also optimize your internet speed and protect your network from unauthorized access. It's the foundation for a smooth, safe online experience. Let's get to the practical part: configuring your modem. While the specific steps can vary depending on your modem model and ISP, here are some general guidelines. 1. Connect to your modem. You can usually do this via a wired connection using an Ethernet cable or through a wireless network if your modem includes Wi-Fi capabilities. 2. Access the modem's web interface. Open a web browser and enter your modem's IP address, typically found on the device or in its manual. 3. Log in. Use the default username and password, also found on the device or in its manual, to log into the modem's settings. 4. Update settings. Here, you can change the network name, SSID, password, and other settings based on your needs and security best practices. 5. Save and restart. After making changes, save them and restart your modem to apply the new settings. Configuring your modem doesn't have to be a headache. Here are some tips to make the process smoother. Read the manual. Your modem's manual is a treasure trove of information. It can guide you through the configuration process tailored for your specific model. Keep firmware updated. Regularly check for firmware updates from your ISP or the modem manufacturer. Updated firmware can improve performance and security. Secure your network. Choose a strong, unique password for your Wi-Fi network to keep it secure from intruders. Contact support when needed. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your ISP's customer support. They can provide guidance specific to your situation. And that's a wrap on modem configuration. We hope this video has demystified the process and shown you that with a little patience and the right information, anyone can configure their modem. Remember, a well-configured modem is your gateway to a seamless internet experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Stay connected for more tech tips and tricks.